Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik ligdig na gumapo ang biyaya manambalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Ganon! So, ito na nga, umpisahan na natin. Umpisahan na natin ang totoong laban. Angel Spirit, please give an information for the sign of Aquarius. Oh my God! There's the Sun card. Unang bagsak ng baraha. There's a positive outcome. A positive good results. No? And of course, there's information na, diba? There's hoist na parang sinasabi dito, there's a good luck. And of course, there's diba? There's a person dito na sinasabi magtatagumpay. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. Okay, there's a Knight of Swords. So, there's a success driven. So, kumbaga parating na talaga yung tagumpay, no? And of course, there's a lover. So, some of you may asawa na, may partner, ganon. May jowa. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Four of Swords. So, there's an intuitions or something fear. Or there's a sleepless nights, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Seven of Wands. Now, protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan proteksyonin yung sarili mo. No? At kailangan mo maging maingat sa health mo, even your, even sa mga thoughts, no? And of course, yung mindset perspective, ano man yung iniisip mo, na kailangan mong proteksyonin yung sarili mo, no? Baka magdala sa'yo ng stress. And of course, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, a unified love. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangang protection mo yung love life mo, no? Kasi may maaring, kumbaga, tumaydor o umago ng iyong corona. Ganon. And of course, there's a unified love. Now, there's a partnership talaga. So, let's see what is the Sun card. Because there's a Page of Swords, there's an information. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami kang makukuha information at of course, kailangan mo laging magtanong, no? Para marami kang malaman, no? Marami kang matutunan. So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords. Because there's a Ten of Wands, no? There's a lot of responsibilities or burden, no? Marami kang mga bagay na pinagdaanan. So, sinasabi sa dito na magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. So, let's see what is the Lovers. What is the Lovers? So, there's an Empress card. See, I told you, there's an Empress card. So, there's third party or something. Meron ditong feminine energy, no? Na involved. It's either as siblings or something, mother figure. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a final push. Now, may mga bagay na kailangan mong patuloy na gawin, no? Para maisakatuparan mo yung ginagawa mo. So, let's see what is the Seven of Wands. So, there's a Six of Wands. So, there's a victory and success. So, ibig sabihin magtatagumpay ka dito sa pagpuprotekta, no? Kung ano man yung grounds and territory mo, no? Kung baga na protectionan mo na, no? Hindi na makukuha ng iba. Because there's a judgment, parang there's a wake-up call or there's parang a warning, gano'n. Kumbaga na, dahil dyan, kumbaga napaghandaan mo na, no? Kumbaga there's a wake-up call, so there's, kumbaga, a judgment for partnership na sinasabi na naging kumbaga naging handa ka, no? Sa magaganap na eksena. So, let's see what is the Sun card. Ito yung Sun card, parang bigla mong na, nagkaroon ka ng ideas of something, information, no? Kaya nag-take ka kagad ng action. Because there's a star card for wish fulfillment, no? There's a healing and miracle. Kumbaga, hindi mo inadya na. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng vibration or something na naramdaman mo na mayroon taong tatrader sa akin or something, may taong aagaw sa asawa ko or taong paago sa jowa ko or something ganon. Parang naramdaman mo yung ganon. So, kumbaga nag-take ka na ng action kagad, nag-protect ka, pinoprotectionan mo, at ngayon nagtatagumpay ka. Diba? Pinipilit man nila agawan, na pinipilit man nila sirain yung relasyon nyo, pero patuloy na nagkakaroon ng solid foundations, no? So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords and the Ten of Wands. So, there's a Three of Wands. So, waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. Ibig sabihin dito, nag-aantay ka na lang na magiging resulta at kaganapan. There's a trouble din. No? Maraming ganap dito. Because there's a Lovers and because the Empress card. So, there's an Ace of Pentacles. So, there's a new opportunities. Na pagdating sa love life yung dalawa ng partner mo, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng bagong negosyo or bagong, kumbaga, bahay or sasakyan or something na magdadala sa inyo ng renewal or bagong eksena. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords and the Knight of Wands. And of course, there's a big money coming in, ha? May malaking oportunidad na papasok sa inyong mag-asawa or sa inyong pag-partner. And of course, there's a King of Wands na magdadala sa inyo ng control and stability. So, let's see what is the Seven of Wands. And of course, there's Six of Wands. So, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Talaga nakatadhanang mangyari. There's a destiny to happen. There's a wishes coming through with a positive outcome. No? Talagang, my God, the Wheel of Fortune is here. Diba? Wheel of Fortune is here. Ang tagumpay ay nasa sayo. Ang tagumpay at 'di ba? Finances ay nasa sayo. Ang relasyon at 'di ba? Ang pag-ibig ay nasa sayo. Taray jackpot. Because there's a strength card, no? Confidence. Ito yung panatiliin mo, magkaroon ng confidence. Ang ganda ng energy mo, ha? There's a lot of positive energy. It's a good part. So, let's see what is the outcome. Outcome is the Hermit card. So, there's a soul searching. O may mga bagay na naglilinaw sa about sa spirituality na nagdala sa ng balance na parang there's a charms and of course there's a protection. So, there's a balance. Na balance ka eh. Meron kang protection sa love life and meron kang protection sa charms and of course sa finances and of course sa business mo. Kumbaga merong balance, no? Sa talaga nagbibigay ng iyong connections ng swerte. No? Talaga there's a wheel for swerte. Ang galing, no? Kasi there's the word curve of the deck na magkakaroon ka talaga ng travel and there's a lot of success coming in for you in all aspects, no? Kumbaga meron talaga water, air, sun, water, air, land, and of course, fire, no? Talagang meron ka dito, parang sinasabi dito na in all a factor, ha? In all factor, meron ka talagang jackpot. Parang ganun. There's a jackpot. Ang ganda. Ganda ng baraha mo, ha? It's inspirational talaga. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Ang ganda ng reading nito. No, it's all positive. Oh, see? I told you. There is a heart with a key. Talagang, di ba? Kumbaga, pinagtagpo kayo para sa isa't isa, di ba? There's key and the lock. Parang talagang, kumbaga, kung wala yung isa, hindi mabubuksan yung isa. Parang gano'n, no? Walang useless kung wala yung isa't isa sa inyo. And because there's a palm tree, see? There's a palm tree. Parang sinasabi dito, there's a stability and growth. And because talagang security. Kumbaga, meron talagang pinagtagpo kayo at tinadahana. Pasabog to. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages for you. And because sinasabi dito, practice, practice, practice. So, what you need to be practice, no? Ano yung kailangan nyo i-enhance, no? Sinasabi dito, with daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. So, kailangan mong practicein yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga ginagawa mo, nang sa ganun mapagtagumpayan mo yan, no? Even your skills and abilities, no? So, let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card for you. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an integration union. Talagang pinagtagpo kayo, pinagkaisa. Oh my God, there's a chemistry. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a close up and guarded. Oh my goodness, talagang protektado kayong dalawa, no? Alam niyo guys, ang lakas ng energy dito na talagang pinoprotectionan kayo ng ating mga gabay. No? Na talagang pinagtagpo kayo to each and every one. So, sinasabi dito, may kinalaman ka sa Ace of Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see what is additional messages for you. Ang ganda ng reading mo. Nakakaloka ka. Pasabog ka dito. Let's see what is additional messages. Parang ginakpat mo na to, excellent. And there's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos at may mga bagay na magsisimula na magdadala sa isang transformation. So, let's see what is additional messages for the chakra. For the chakra, angels messages, given information. There's a workaholic. So, some of you ha, kumaga pagdating talaga sa trabaho, talagang nakasubsub talaga kayo dyan, no? Perseguido kayo, dedikado, no? And there's a victim, no? Maaaring nga, biktima kayo ng mga, diba, sa paligid nyo, ng mga, ano dyan, pero release nyo yan kasi there's a pure positivity dito na huwag kayo maghatak ng nega. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasa dito, there's some financial constraints. So, some of you, kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo ng financial loss. Well, suddenly, na maaaring, di ba, kumbaga, magkakaroon na kayo ng ipon or something na lalakas sa negosyo or hanap buhay nyo. Third chakra, Arcang Health Chamboy for your health, no? Protectionan nyo yung health nyo. And of course, let's see what is Arcangel Michael messages for you. What is Arcangel Michael messages for you? And of course, sinasa dito, as person you're asking is the person you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong kinakausap niyo, papagkakatiwalaan niyo daw, ha? Baka partner mo yan or something, asawa mo. And kasi sa dito, honor and trust your feelings, no? Yung vibration and of course yung instinct mo, pakikinggan mo yan kasi there's an inner voice rather, no? Na binibigay sa inyo ng ating mga gabay na baka messages yan or something signs na, diba, you need to take yan na actions. And kung sinasabi dito, there's an explore your options, no? Kailangan marami ko bang tignan mo yung better side of situations, no? Tignan mo yung lighter side of both situation. Tignan mo kung ano yung mas magandang opportunities, ganon. So let's see what is the Monsology. What is the Monsology? Angel Spirit Guides. You are good enough, no? Pagdating sa'yo, sapat ka na. Ganon. Contento, ganon. And there's a communication is the key. So, nasa sa inyo kasi, kumbaga nagkakaunawaan kayo, no? So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Oh my goodness. What is the Romance Angels? Angel Spirit Guides. Soulmate, kaya pala, there's a soul contract. Diba? Yes, this is your soulmate. So, maaaring soulmate mo yung person mo at malapit mo na siyang matagpuan or some of you natagpuan mo na, no? Alam mo, madja-jackpot ka talaga dito. And of course, there's a second option. So, kailangan mo rin ng second options or second opinion sa mga bagay-bagay. Baka may mga tanong ka sa sarili mo na, diba? Na hindi ka sure na kailangan mo humingi ng opinion ng iba. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, there's a Whale and the Orca Elders with the Divine Deep Frequency of Sounds. Share your song. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, enjoyin mo lang daw yung mga nangyayari sa inyo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong, kumbaga, napakalalim na ng foundation yung dalawa, no? Kailangan lang talaga enjoyin nyo, maging masaya to each and every one, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. For additional messages, there's a leadership. So, some of you parehas kayo, no? Parehas kayong, kumbaga may respect and of course, there's respect and loving and respect and discipline, no? Kumbaga parehas kayo naka-in charge sa situation, pati sa love life and career, no? Parehas kayong balance kayo eh. And there's a counsel by evolutions na may mga bagay na kumbaga nagkakaroon na sa inyo ng pagbabago. Kumbaga nagkakaroon ng evolutions, no? May mga bagay na gusto niyo magkaroon ng growth and expansion. And because there's a transformation, diba? Ito na yung sinasabi na pagbabago. And there's a magic bloom, no? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, and of course, sinasabi ni Jesus, nothing shall be impossible to you. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating daw sa'yo, wala daw imposible. Diba? So, bakit? No? Bakit walang imposible pagdating sa'yo? Baka masyado kang napakabuti mong tao, napaka-generous mo or something. Nasa sa'yo na siguro lahat ng mga katangian na hinahanap ng person na yon. Kaya siguro nagtagpo kayo. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. This is the angel's answer, guys. So, magkakaroon to ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan nyo. So, magbibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo ng question nyo. At this is it. Nandito yung answer na hinahangad at hinihintay nyo. So, bibilang ko ng 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. So, laban. Angel's answer, give me information. Okay, I get my information, Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, get more information po. Naku, baka isa lang ang gusto ibigay. Last one. Tingnan natin kung ibibigay niya. Angels answer, give me information to answer their questions. Naku, last na ata yun. Last na nga yun. So, ang gusto sabihin lang sa'yo dito is, abundance. My God, walang iba kundi kasaganahan. Diba? Ang kasagutan ay kasaganahan. Walang iba, kundi yan lang ang binigay. Ko, ito lang, this is the answer. Abundance. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. There's a 7-7, I am brave. So, yung sinasabi kanina, di ba, maging matapang ka. It is time to move on from the old patterns and habit and fears. Now is the time to walk in the directions of your biggest desires and ambitions. Now is the time to be bold and brave, no? Kailangan maging matapang ka, no? Maging transparent ka sa sarili mo na, I can do it. No, I can fight my fear. So let's see. Let's see what is the messages of light. And a door to the infinite. See? There's an infinite. So, ibig sabihin talagang, there's an parang walang wakas or something na, di ba, yung magpahanggang sa wakas, gano'n. Parang may gano'n. Kasi sabi dito, at my heart center, there is door that leads to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open the door. As I entered, I experiences a deep sense of serenity. And I understand that I am eternal and that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life challenges to the higher level of my existence. I know now my inner light is infinite. So, alam mo, di ba, itong pintuan nagbukas sa'yo, alam mong walang hanggan yan, no? Patuloy at patuloy pa rin yung blessings, yung love, and of course, lahat ng mga kaganapan, no? Ano man yung trials or something na obstacles na yan, alam mo, yung tamang flavor or something, tamang formula kung paano mo siya magiging balance. Ang ganda, kasi alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng reading mo kasi it's all positive, no? Na, kumbaga, nagtitiwala ka na there's a destiny to happen, no? Talagang nakatadhana at nakalaan para sa itong pagkakataon na to. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Aquarius. So, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal-siksik-liglig na guumapa ang biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.